Hey, what's up, AMP coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about AMP coin. What's up, guys? Now in this video, I'm talking about the AMP coin price. Is the AMP coin price will increase or not? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Now guys, you can see here the currently live price of the AMP coin in the market is 0.058519. That is the currently live price of the AMP coin in the market. Other side, if we talk about the changes of the AMP coin, so very badly changes occur in the AMP coin. You can see here guys that the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the AMP coin is negative. Only the last 1 hour changes is positive, and last 1 day 1 week changes of the AMP coin is going negative. Guys, now my technical analysis, let me show you the price chart for more details. Let me show you. Now you can see here, oh my god, absolutely the previous time of the AMP coin is a bad time. But now guys, in the latest situation, you can see they take a jump. So guys, personally I believe that after falls the price will pump. Any cryptocurrencies, if the price falls down, so possibilities that the price will pump in the upcoming day in same like situation in the AMP coin. So that's why I recommend for you to please hold, just hold, just hold. Never decide to sell AMP coin. AMP coin price is very low, and absolutely the low price coin will only give you profit if you hold for long time. Anyways, what you think about AMP coin, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.